Right guys, question 6, this is paper 1 higher. So we've got a rectangle 2 centimetres by 6 centimetres, and then they've got an 8-sided shape below made from 4 of these rectangles and 4 congruent, so they're exactly the same, identical right angled triangles. Obviously drawn really accurately by myself, not. So let's put some of these numbers on. So we know that the rectangles are 2 centimetres and all the long sides are 8. So let's put all these numbers on. 8, 8, 2, 8, and that's an 8 there. And then we've got to think, need to be careful here actually. So I put an 8 here, but that's the whole length of that side. Alright, we need to work out what this distance is here. Alright, so we know that if that's 2, then it's a rectangle, so that must be 2 there, which means this distance here must be 6, okay, because from here to here was 8, if that's 2, then that must be 6. Okay, and that'll be the same on quite a few of these. So this one down here, for instance, that distance there must also be 6. That's 2. That's going to be 2 there, and let's cross that out. That's going to be 6 there. 6 there. Right. So obviously the ends of the rectangles, they're straightforward. We've now got a 6 and 8, and this is a right angle triangle, it tells us. Okay, your one's going to be nice and clear because it's on the picture. Okay, so we've got a right angle triangle which is 6 by 8. So hopefully straight away you think of Pythagoras' theorem. Oh yes, so you're going to do 6 squared plus 8 squared and then square root that. You might even remember the 3, 4, 5 triangles. This is a Pythagorean triple, so 6 squared is 36 plus 64, so it's a square root of 100, which is 10. So all of these long sides are 10 around the outside, and then we need to add them all up. Okay, so you've got 10, 12, 22, 24, 34, 36, 46, 48, so it's 48 centimetres. Just going to double check that. So 10, 12, 22, 24, 34, 36, 46, 48 centimetres. Obviously 5 marks. How they're going to look like, you need to be using Pythagoras really to make sure you get most of these marks. Getting your 2's on your diagram might have been 1 mark, be really generous. Working out that 6, that's going to be a mark. Okay, then realising to use Pythagoras, be another mark. Working out 10, another mark, and then finally adding it all up to get 48, your 5th mark. As I said before, I will send around the mark scheme with this anyway, so you can double check. Keep it real.